Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on a 2021 Honda Civic where we'll be replacing the front driver's side mirror on it. Honda Civics came in the same style from 2015 to 2021, so it will be same for all the years. So as you can see, to replace the side mirror we will first have to take off the door panel. To do so, you will have to pop out the window switch and then take out a Phillips screw as shown in the video. You will be using the Phillips tool. After that, just pull forward the panel by pulling from the bottom of the door panel outwards. So as you can see, once you have the panel pushed forward and off, you can see some wires that are still connected to the panel. You have to disconnect those before you can take the panel off. So now that we have a better view of how the wiring is running, you can take off the tweeter speaker and disconnect it to locate the 10mm bolts that you will be taking off for taking off the side mirror. As you can see, there are three 10mm bolts that are being used to keep the side mirror in place on the door. Please take these three 10mm bolts off and disconnect the wiring harness to the side mirror for disassembling the side mirror off the door. Now that the broken side mirror is off, grab the new side mirror and install it just the way that you were shown to take it off. So as you can see, I am catching the nuts on by hand because I don't want to use a gun and destroy the threads by any chance. So take precaution and take your time before doing any step. Plug back that side mirror wire in so that you can have control of the side mirror. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Plug that tweeter right back in and push it into its spot so it can hold in position. Grab that door panel and make sure you don't forget to reconnect those wires that you took off from it before you clip it on. Once the door panel is clipped on, reinstall that one Phillips screw that you took out and plug in the door switch and place the door switch back in place. So now that all the hard stuff is done, grab the side mirror cover, line it up, spray some soap and water so that it can slide in easier, and push it right on. Thank you very much everyone for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful day.